With TD Ameritrade stopping their services for non-accredited investors, you may be wondering if you should transfer your assets from TD Ameritrade to Tiger Brokers. So, in this video, I will share a few reasons as to why Tiger Brokers may be attractive to you, what are the promotions that you can enjoy, and finally, how you can transfer your stocks over. Alright, let's start with some attractive features of Tiger Brokers. 1. From now to 31st March 2024, Tiger Brokers is running a promotion where they have lowered their option trading fees to just 65 cents USD per contract with no minimum. At this price level, Tiger Brokers is actually cheaper than Interactive Brokers option pricing, which has a minimum commission of 1 USD per trade. And the best part, this promotion is applicable to both new and existing users. For new users, you will automatically enjoy the low commission when you sign up. While for existing users, all you need to do is head over to Profile, Campaign Center, look for the banner that says your best partner for US options and shares. Tap on it, scroll all the way down, tap Unlock Ultra Low Fees, and boom, you get to enjoy the promo now. Besides that, Tiger Brokers also offers some pretty advanced options features. For example, they have an option screener which lets you easily look for options based on your investment strategy. And with option statistics, you will get a quick overview on what's going on, such as the call to put ratio, volatility curve, and turnover ratio. Also, in the unusual options activity page, you may also detect market trends and get real-time insights into unusual volume options transactions. Last but not least, besides your usual order types such as limit order and market order, Tiger Brokers also supports advanced orders such as conditional orders, attached order, and one cancels all order. If you are new to Tiger Brokers, you will also get to enjoy some pretty attractive sign-up rewards when you sign up using my link down below. First up, there's zero commission trades for US, Hong Kong, Singapore, and China markets. And if you activate Auto Sweep on Tiger Watch and subscribe to it, you will enjoy an 8% return for 30 days on your first $10,000. So, if you do the math, that's a free $65. Next, if you make an initial deposit of more than 1,000 Singapore dollars and complete 5 buy trades, you will get a free 40 USD Apple fractional shares, $8.80 Starbucks shares, and a free stock worth up to 888 Singapore dollars. Plus, if you fund your account with another 1,500 Singapore dollars within 7 days, you will get to earn another 30 USD Tesla fractional shares. And lastly, if you do a stock transfer with a market value of at least 10,000 USD at the time the transfer was initiated, you will get a 50 USD stock voucher. Also, just in case you are wondering, if you are doing an entire account transfer from TD Ameritrade before 31st December 2023, TD Ameritrade will waive off the transfer fee. Also, there's no transfer-in fee on Tiger Brokers' end. Now, here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to transfer your stocks from TD Ameritrade into Tiger Brokers. In the app, tap on Portfolio, head to the Securities tab, tap on More, then look for the Shares Transfer In. Choose Transfer In US Stocks. For Transfer US Shares From, choose TD Ameritrade Singapore. Next, they will ask you for an account number. To get it, log in to your TD Ameritrade account, go to Account Statement, and you will find your account number here. Copy the number over. Here, you will need to make sure that your name on both TD Ameritrade and Tiger Brokers are the same. Once you are done, read through the terms and conditions and tick them. Then tap on Next. While Tiger Brokers have pre-selected the transfer all available shares by default, it's still recommended to input your major positions. So just input all your stock information, quantity of shares, and cost price of your holdings. However, just take note that Tiger Brokers only accept the transfer of whole shares. They don't support fractional shares, OTC stocks, and pink stocks. You are also unable to transfer your cash position, negative balance, short positions, options, and futures too. Once you are done, confirm your holdings, then tap Submit. You will then receive an email from Tiger Brokers where you will find a position transfer form. You will need to sign on the document on the second page. Pro tip, you can easily sign PDFs using the Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is totally free to use, yeah? Just head to View and Sign to sign. Once you are done, email the form to help@tdameritrade.com.sg. The transfer will take place within 3 to 8 working days to complete. Also, just to avoid any issues, make sure to avoid buying or selling anything on TD Ameritrade while the transfer is still ongoing. Once the transfer is completed, Tiger Brokers will let you know. So that was a super quick video on how to transfer your assets from TD Ameritrade to Tiger Brokers. Hopefully you found that useful.